Because here I actually have a son that is a man that is bigger than his daddy. And really, I'm just a faker, okay? I just gotta show you. Yeah, I'm really not this tall. So he didn't have to be that tall for me to marry him. He just had to be taller than me. Anyways, as we were driving all through Ewa Beach, through Fort Weaver Road, our streets are lit up with the shower tree. And when we turn the corner, the school right there, shower trees are in bloom. When I asked my son what his favorite song was so I could write him a song, what his favorite flower was, that's what he said. He said, the shower tree. It's a beautiful tree. It comes around during springtime. Sometimes the tree blooms just once, twice if we're lucky, and 3 if it's a miracle. Our son is not here with us. He's not dead. Okay, just oh my gosh, he's not here with us. He's not dead. But he's serving a mission in West Virginia. And if you know anything about LDS missions, then you know that this mommy can only talk to her son on the telephone on Christmas and Mother's Day. I can email with him only on Mondays. So it's been a long 18 months. He's out for 2 years and he comes home in November, and I'm ecstatic. So ecstatic that I decided I was gonna clean his room this week. Anyways, I didn't write a song about the shower tree. Instead, I compared him to my very, very favorite flower, the pakalana. It's kind of the opposite of the shower tree. That flower is radiantly gold. The pakalana is this light green. When you touch the shower tree flower, it's so fragile. The pakalana is hardy. The shower tree flower has no scent, but the pakalana is my favorite scent. I wait for summertime to come and the pakalana to bloom. And when the pakalana stops blooming, that's when my boy is coming home. to be here with you.